video I'm going to be teaching you how to use a fake webcam on Omegle without the watermark. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is search download minicam, download minicam. But you're gonna look for an older version since you don't want to have the watermark, because the watermark makes it pretty obvious. So download minicam 4.1.2. So yeah, click on download now, and then your program is downloading. So just wait a few seconds. Um, okay, this is gonna take some time, so I'll be back once it's done. Okay, so once downloaded, you can go ahead and click minicam. Okay, then you click on the arrow, and you can submit a YouTube link, or you can put a media file, so something you've downloaded. So I'm gonna put a media file. So one thing you can do on Omegle is pretend to be famous people, which is really fun. So I'm just gonna put this Justin Bieber thing webcam I downloaded. Okay, so as you can see, it's here, and the next thing you want to do is remove the logo. Okay, so the way you can remove the logo is by going on text and clicking. It says show minicam logo, so you can click it to disable it, and now it's gone. And another thing you can do to make it more accurate is go on image and bring the zoom in. So just zoom in a bit, so it looks more realistic without the black bars on the sides. Okay, so now you want to put it into action. So you go on Omegle, you go on camera, you press this button. Sorry, it's a bit laggy. And then after you press this button, you go ahead and click minicam virtual webcam, and then ta-da! It's working. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Yeah. So thanks for watching.